Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful collaboration and workflow platform. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, can a Smartsheet have more than one owner? I know this is a question that a lot of people have, so I'm excited to share the answer with you. But before I do, I want to take a moment to talk about what Smartsheet is and how it can be used. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create, share, and collaborate on spreadsheets, tasks, and projects. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used to manage a wide variety of tasks, from simple to complex. So, can a Smartsheet have more than one owner? The answer is yes. In fact, you can have an unlimited number of owners for any Smartsheet. This is a great feature because it allows you to share ownership of your Smartsheet with other people, which can be helpful if you're working on a project with a team or if you want to give someone else access to your Smartsheet. There are a few different ways to add owners to a Smartsheet. One way is to click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to add as owners. Another way to add owners is to click on the Settings tab in the top left corner of the screen. From there, you can click on the Users tab. From there, you can click on the Add User button. Once you've added an owner to your Smartsheet, they will have full access to the sheet, including the ability to edit, delete, and share it. In addition to owners, you can also add collaborators to your Smartsheet. Collaborators have read-only access to the sheet, which means they can view the sheet but they can't make any changes to it. So, there you have it. Smartsheet can have an unlimited number of owners. This is a great feature that allows you to share ownership of your Smartsheet with other people. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Smartsheet, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you next time.